Hello friends, let us know about the compound microscope and how to handle it. We are going to understand it. Here are different parts of the microscope. This is called base, okay. This is called stage. This is called a nose piece. Here we can see different lens are held here of different power. We can say here this is a 10x lens, 10x power. This is 40x and this is 100x power lens is here, and this is called nose piece, and at this place the different lenses are held here. You can see here this lens, the lens are held here. You can see here, this is the place where the lens can be held. Okay, and we can rotate this nose piece to focus the particular lens at the stage. We can see this stage can be moved up down by the help of this structure. This is called coarse adjustment knob. This structure is called coarse adjustment knob. We can move this stage up and down. And to observe anything under the microscope, we need to prepare the material in a glass slide. Excuse me, please give me that glass slide. Here anything we have to see, we have to prepare in this glass slide. Under microscope, if we have to observe anything, we have to put that material on the glass slide, and this glass slide is kept here on the stage. Okay, and here you can see a clip that will hold this. This will hold the slide here, and we can move this slide up and down by the help of this structure. This is called coarse adjustment knob. Okay, when we have to use this microscope, we see here different types of lens are used here. This lens which is used nearby the slide, this is called objective lens. These lenses are called objective lens. Similarly, when we see this object, then at our eyes, here is at the place of our eyes, here are the lenses. They are called eye lens, and this is called objective lens. And this object which we see, that is magnified by multiplying the power of this objective lens and eye lens. Suppose this eye lens is of 10x and this is of 10x, then we can see the object by magnifying them 10 into 10, 100 times larger. Similarly, if here is 10x and here we are using 100x, then that object will be magnified by 1000 times. Okay, and this microscope can be run in absence of light also, because it has its own light. This microscope run with the help of electricity. We have a switch here. When we on the switch, light comes here, and by this light goes through this structure. This is called condenser. We can increase or decrease the intensity of light by the help of this condenser. How much light should pass through it? Here you can see there is one hole, and that through that hole light is coming on this slide, and after placing the slide here, we can move the slide, adjust the slide by moving this structure. This is called slide adjuster. Front and behind. This structure helps to move the slide front and behind, and this helps to move the left and right. So by moving this, we can focus this slide on the light on the stage. After focusing, we have to be sure by which lens we want to see here. suppose I want to see by the, and while observing the object, first we have to focus the lens of 10x here, and then we see from here, and we move this we have to move this coarse adjustment knob. Here are two knobs. This is coarse adjustment and this is called fine adjustment. This coarse adjustment is used to focus the object on the lens, and this fine adjustment help to clear the image. Okay, let me see. Okay, now I have focused by the help of this coarse down. I have focused here the objects in the slide. Now I will not move this coarse adjustment now. After focusing, we do not have to move this coarse adjustment. We have to move now this fine adjustment to clarify the image. Okay, I have clarified it. After focusing it, if we want to see that object more magnified, we have to change this lens. Suppose here is 10x. Now I am rotating this nose piece and I am focusing here 45x. Okay, I am seeing the object here little more magnified than the last time. Now I am still trying to magnify that object. So at the place of 45, now I am using 100x. But when you are using the 100x lens here, we have to use the oil immersion. Here we have oil immersion here, so we have to use 1 drop of oil immersion there. Okay. Okay, now after using the oil immersion, we can see the object clearly here. I am trying in this slide, I have prepared the slide of bacteria. Okay, then let us see here under 100x in the objective and 10x in this. It means the organism is magnified by 1000 times. We can see the image of the bacteria through this microscope. We see here spherical bacteria are there, cocci shape. Please focus on this. Similar fashion, whatever the object we want to see under the microscope, we can see by preparing that object in this glass slide. Okay, and one more thing I would like to say, we should not use anything to clean this lens. We have to use the lens paper. Lens paper.